Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to remove the search icon on Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So removing the search icon on your Shopify store is actually pretty easy. So in this case, this is my website. As you can see, we have the search icon here. So what we need to do is we need to edit a few code, but this one is actually pretty easy. Just need to follow what I'm going to do right now. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to left panel here, go to online store, and from here go to themes. And from here you should be able to see the customize, where in this case if you click on customize here, you'll be able to customize your website itself, like change some elements and change the arrangement of some of the items I see here. But in this case, what we need to do is we want to edit. So go ahead and click on the three-dotted icon here next to customize. From here, click on edit code. Now, from here in the edit code section, go to the search file section here. Just type in the following, which is going to be base.css. So once you see it, go ahead and click on it, and that should open up in this window here. So go to the very bottom here, and once you've done that, you need to paste the following code that I'll be showing you. So it's going to be .header __ icon -- search, and from here, make sure the input the display is equal to none. Now from here, once you've entered this specific code here, which is actually pretty simple and a very fast one, go ahead and click on save at the top right. And once you've done that, we could go ahead and just click on previous store here, or you could go back into your store here, reload your page, and as you can see, the search icon is now not present, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.